Today we'll take a look at the VEVOR ventilation fan. So we got our instructions. And we got our duct. So one thing I do like to see is that the fan is GFCI protected. So the handle is plastic. It does have kind of a leathery texture to it. So it actually feels very nice. And we can see that the switch is actually in there in the handle, and it is protected by a guard. So we don't have to worry about somebody coming by and bumping it. It is an Axial fan. Has a lot of blades on there. It does spin very nicely. And we have a fairly large motor in there that's going to be supplying the power. And I think that is making up most of the weight of this thing because it's a fairly heavy fan. It does say on here that it's thermally protected, so you don't have to worry about this thing causing a fire. It's rated for 585 watts, 120 volts at 60 hertz. And we can see on the bottom the arrow, so this is going to let us know the flow of the air. That thing has got a ton of airflow on it. It does make some noise, but if you need to clear out a room, this is going to be the guy to do the job. For the duct, has a very nice smell to it. So the top just kind of expands. It has a pull string on it, so you can wrap that around whatever you want. Tighten that up, and that is how you will lock that down. And it looks like we also have some D-rings on here, even some midway down, so that way if you need to tether this thing down to make sure that, you don't want this thing just kind of flapping around, you'll be able to do that with this. And quite a long length on here. And then on the back, it just has a loop, so you run that right out to where you're going to be venting. So these are golden bridge rods. These things produce a ton of smoke. So now I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to use the fan. That is crazy. Like, I can feel it trying to suck my hand in. Good thing it's got that guard on it. I think that fan speaks for itself. There was absolutely no smoke coming toward me. Where normally I could smell these rods because these are pretty smelly rods, I could not smell anything. So that was pulling everything away from me. So if you care about your lungs, that's going to be awesome. If you need to clear out a room, that's going to be awesome. Or even if you just want to blow air from a cool room to a warmer room, that thing's going to work great for that. With that being able to almost suck my hand into it from about here, that's probably one of the more powerful fans that I've ever played with, especially at this size. At this size, there is no fan that I've seen that compares. So that thing is incredible.